3 years ago, I was in quite ill health and was having a lot of treatment, and as I say, it helped me through a tough time.
We'd always dreamt of having, the dream convertible car. So we've had this BMW in our family actually longer than our children, in fact. So over the years, it sort of, as the kids came along, we had more and more children. We've now got 3 children. Really, there was more focus and need for a big sort of family 4x4 car. But we'd never really been able to bring ourselves to part with the car. It was such a part of the family, and we loved it still so much. So I thought, what a great Christmas present it would be if I could somehow get an expert team together to give this a full makeover and restore it to some of its former glory.
I just want to say thank you to my family. I was quite emotional yesterday, wasn't I?
We all were.
It's meant a lot of different things to me over the years. So, just about 3 years ago, I was in quite ill health and was having a lot of treatment, and I used to drive to the hospital in it and have my treatment and drive home in it with the roof down, even in the dark, in the December nights and stuff. It just sort of made you feel alive, and as I say, it helped me through a tough time.
Well, Grace and I were crying as well yesterday, don't worry.
Tears,
it's emotional.
Just Merry Christmas to everybody. Thank you to everybody at AGMC that's been involved. It's a real lovely gift to receive.